night because it's too loud for me to go live. I was gonna go live.
I am a single mom. I went through a horrible divorce, and I was lost. I didn't know what I was going to do. I needed to find a way to supplement my income that I was making at my 9-to-5 job. And I remember just sitting at the table crying, not knowing what I was going to do. And then I had a moment remembering my mom sitting at the table crying, not knowing what she was going to do. She was also a single mom. And I just had this light bulb moment of I have to change the course of mine and my kids' lives. And that's what I've done. This community has been incredible. And not only do you learn all this stuff about growing an online business and everything about digital marketing, but the support that this community has for everyone is just mind-blowing. It has changed my life, and it will change yours too. I hope you join us today.